Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will study application of derivatives, among which first application is derivative as rate measurer. As you know from your previous class, dy dx means rate of change of y with respect to x is called dy dx. Rate of change of y with respect to x, that is dy dx is rate measurer 2. Now take some example. A particle moves along the curve moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. This is a cubic in x, linear in y, Cartesian relation. A particle moves on this curve. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Find the point at which find the points on the curve find the points on the curve at which y coordinate changes 8 times faster than x coordinate. This is your question. Particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. What is meaning of this question? According to question, dy dx is equal to 8. Rate of change of y with respect to x is 8. In another word, change in y is 8 times change in x. Y coordinate changes 8 times faster than x coordinate. Multiply 8 in change in x. Dx means difference of x. Dy means difference in y. This implies dy dx is equal to 8. This is given. But also 6y is equal to x cube plus 2 implies 6 into dy dx is equal to 3x square. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. This implies dy dx is equal to half x square. This is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, half x square is equal to 8 implies x square equal to 16 implies x is equal to plus minus 4. By putting this value of x in curve, you will get values of y. For x is equal to 4, y is equal to x cube plus 2 by 6 is equal to 64 plus 2 upon 6 is equal to 66 by 6 equal to 11. For x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 64 plus 2 upon 6 is equal to minus 62 by 6 is equal to minus 31 by 3. So therefore points are 4, 11 and minus 4 minus 31 by 3. This is your answer. At these 2 points, y coordinate will change 8 times faster than x coordinate. Now, take another example. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in a circular form at a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. A stone is dropped in a quiet lake and water waves move in a circle at a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is radius of circular waves is 7.5 centimeter. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? This is your question. If you drop a stone in quiet lake, still water, circular rings speed towards boundaries in this form, and the radius of water wave increasing continuously. A stone is dropped in a quiet lake and wave move in a circle at a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. That is, a speed of this is 3.5 centimeter per second. That is, dr dt is equal to 3.5. This from a point size circle increasing continuously towards boundary of lake, moves in a circle at a speed of 3.5 centimeter per second. This increases at the rate of 3.5 centimeter per second. That is, dr dt is equal to 3.5 according to Pearson. Now you are required to find how fast is enclosed area increasing. You are required to find dA dt is equal to what? When dA dt at r is equal to 7.5 centimeter is equal to what? As you know, area of any circle is of the form pi r square. You are required to find dA dt, rate of change of enclosed area with respect to time, at r is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Differentiate both sides with respect to t. This implies dA dt is equal to d dt of pi r square. Here variable is r, but here is t. We cannot differentiate without using chain rule. This implies dA dt is equal to pi is constant, comes out d dr of r square into dr dt, multiply divide by dr, is equal to d dr of r square is 2r, so 2 pi r dr dt. But dr dt is given 3.5 is equal to 2 pi r into 3.5 is equal to 7 pi r. This is value of dA dt in terms of r. Now dA dt at r is equal to 7.5 is equal to 7 into 22 by 7 into value of r is 7.5 is equal to 7 to 7 cancelled, 11 into 15 is equal to 165 centimeter square per second. You find rate of change of area. Therefore, its unit becomes centimeter square per second, not centimeter per second. Remember it. And dr dt is in terms of centimeter per second because radius is linear quantity. Thank you.